The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, you know, this what I'm about to tell you right about now, viewers and subscribers. Some persons might find it to be a shock. You get what I'm saying to you? Because I'm telling you about a video that is said to be out on social media. Yes, what I'm saying to you. And how I get to understand about this video that is said to be out on social media is by a news report. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, according to the news report, is that the video that is out on the social media had been seen by necessary authorities. You see what I'm saying to you? And it is said that the necessary authorities was searching for this person. So viewers and subscribers, I say, you know what, I'm going to take a look at this video. Now, when I look at the video, viewers and subscribers, I saw where the person in the video, you know, started to do some things that persons consider to be stunt driving or reckless driving. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, me look at the video and me see at a part of the video, me see one point of the video where the man removed the steering from half of the vehicle. Somehow the steering just lift off. I don't know if it's a clip fly or what. And when me see that happen, me I look for myself and me I say, bun up clad. I lie. You see me? And then viewers and subscribers, the person put it back on the vehicle and start steer again. And me I say, oh, John was that. And then now, on top of it now, viewers and subscribers, me see where the person, it's like the person just open the door and hand on the steering and outside. And me I say, a lie. Now, all of that you hear me telling you, viewers and subscribers, the person do all of that while the vehicle are driving. I mean, the vehicle is in motion while the person do all of that thing that is said to be stunt driving or reckless driving, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. And I'm talking about the bus is driving and there is passengers in the vehicle at the same time while the person doing all of that. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to point it out straight up and down, say something like that is really dangerous. Really, really dangerous. You see me? What if the bus get out of control? At that, I start look at viewers and subscribers. But anyways, so I continue to take a look at this report, or news report. That's what I'm saying to you, and it, you know, me get to realize that the transport authorities, they found this person and they seized the person's vehicle that the person was driving, and you know, according to some of the things that has been said in the video, it seems as if the necessary authorities decided that they are going to take somewhat of a action against what had been seen in the video, right? So basically what the person had done in the video, it seems as if something is going to be done. You know, I'm not sure if it is charges or what. I'm not going to mislead you and give you any wrong information, but the news report shows that the bus had been seized, and you know, may I tell you, viewers and subscribers, but really and truly though, that is something dangerous. That's what I'm saying to you. A lot of persons out there laugh and find it funny and see me, even though some of them are laugh, them still I say that as something wrong the person doing them. But at the same time, them I laugh and them find it funny. And I'm telling you, viewers and subscribers, you know, even though a person might laugh, you know, it's nothing funny. You see me I say? Me not tell a lie, me laugh when me see two viewers and subscribers. Me laugh, but at the same time, you know, even though me laugh out of a surprise, because it's like at the first me I see something like that when me see as something when me see in a movie. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? So me I tell you that is true, but at the same time, something like this is dangerous and no one should attempt to do something like this. Nobody should try to do something like this. Is what I'm saying to you? At no point, whether it wants to be in the open public or so, no one should try to do something like this. You get me? And yes, I'm left it now, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about something like this. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.